Don't miss this gorgeous, renovated, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo on the first level of a quiet and professionally maintained association known as South Landing Condominiums. Welcome to 15 Bower Road, Unit A1 in popular Quincy, Massachusetts. This modern unit has 2 spacious bedrooms, a large open-flow living and dining area, a modern kitchen with sleek cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The primary suite has 2 large closets and its own bathroom. Other features include in-unit laundry, central HVAC, a private oversized balcony outside the living room, 1 assigned parking space, and plenty of free guest parking. An additional private storage closet is just across the hall. Pets are allowed with trustee approval. Convenient location and is just a short distance to routes 93, 95, and 3, or a quick bus to the Red Line or the commuter rail to get into Boston. Also close by are the Quincy beaches, many parks, Walmart, South Shore Plaza, Cam Man Market, and it's within 2 miles of over 100 restaurants. This is a wonderful place to live in or for the savvy investor as well.